Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a beautiful bouquet greeting card cover. For that we need some strips, a cooling tool and glue. So first of all friends, we will start to make the flower, the main thing, which looks very beautiful. For that we need 150 mm red strip, tight roll, make the tight roll, make it little loose, put the glue in the end, make it the flower shape. We need around 10 or 11, it's depend on you what quantity you want, what size you card. We're done. So next one we have to make the pattern leaf. For that we need 75 mm round strip. May same do like the first one. Little bit loose, put the glue. Press from the both side to make the shape of pattern. So we done it, main part of the bouquet. Now we need 175 mm strip, red color, to make the pen and put the glue. For the decoration like a bow, we done it this one also. The glue inside to make the joint as well. Now we have to cover up the bow first with the strip. Side to front. You have to do this one. Here. This. Now the around 50 mm strip we need to make the shape. Go down. Cut from the middle. Shape of triangle. And put down with the glue. Same like this one, you can see. And we need 5 strips, 285 size, and 2 115 size, and in the middle we need 130 mm size, and put the bow on the top. So friends, we got the stuff. So let's get started friends to put the stuff on the paper, on the greeting card cover. So finally friends, we got our stuff. We have 9 flowers, leaves 11, and the bouquet stuff. So we have to put the key there and do it like this: 1 petal, 1 flower, then again here we need petal, flower, I have to do it diffuser, we can use that one. Same that side we have to use and do it one by one and keep it same way. Like this. Can use the flower. It's depend on you what quantity you want to use. Flowers or leaves. So that's why this one. So friends, we complete our gift greeting card cover, the bouquet, multicolor shapes. And I hope you like our video, friends. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload a new video. So keep watching and keep supporting us, friends. We will meet you in the next video. Until next video, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.